Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hana and Tessa.
Yep, my name is Alpha Angel.
So my cousin gonna play this game, so keep watching guys. Bye.
She's awful. Now guys, I'm really sorry about that awful sound, but why there's so much application? There's no one in this room.
Aku nugas dulu. Cucong tuh.
Ngapain sih, Kay? Sini. Kayaknya mau nugas.
So guys, bye-bye.
She's awful. Let's do another one. Okay. Sorry about this. Right here. Because I have a lot of stuff to do. And my cousin doesn't want to get her voice again. Because she's annoying. Stop! Okay guys, something else is really amazing. So we're going to go there. And I'm sorry for you guys because I'm not making any videos at all this time. But I'm going to make it this one, okay? This year, okay? We'll do it, okay? Now, the first thing first, I'm going to take a look at the castle. I'm so happy because I got a castle. But I think this is not my castle. Okay, let's check it out. My VIP's horses. Let's take a closer look. First one is Celestial. She's one of my annoying horses ever. Now we got Gem, and she works with a wild mode too. We got Fly. She is amazing. Bye. Ah! Someone kiss me. Okay, stop. And now we got another one. She's a wild horse too. This one. And this one is a wild horse too. Effie Bunny. Who is Effie Bunny? Okay, and the other one is Meow. That is my favorite horse ever. And this is a cute little wild horse one because I love this horse so much, and I think it's one of my favorite ones. Now with VIPs, you can like jump. You can jump. So I got VIPs. On this one, I really love this one. And on this, you got a ball for your pets. Ooh, look at that. It's cute, right? Oops, my pet. Get that ball back. Okay, Effie gonna get it. Effie is like my name, Effie. Effie and Effie. I'm sorry, I'm really distract you. But I'm going to do it right now. Okay. So, I'll go and get my favorite horse here. This is my favorite horse. This is my favorite horse, and this is my horse ever. I love this horse so much, and we got a VIP pass right here. Mine is rank 4. Why it's so cute? Rank 3. Rank 3. Okay. Rank 2. Rank 1. Okay. And rank 5. Okay, let's just go in. Yeah. I don't know why. Here's my tricks. All my tricks is better than anyone's tricks. So let's check it out. So, what I didn't do here. Maybe I'll get another horse. No. Okay. I'm gonna equip this. Maybe I'll just change a new horse. Change with this horse. Okay. Change with this horse. And we got another one. That is my favorite. It's this one. Sorry for the sound of bapaw, bapaw, bapaw. Oh my god, sorry. Okay, just that, and we got a payoff here. Payoff. We got a payoff here. Payoff. 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 Or payoff. And this is one of my favorite ones. It's Passage. It's for the dressage competition, and I love it so much. And we got this one. Pirate. Pirate. Or Pyrote. Pirate. I think it's Pirate. 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 Okay. And that was all of the tricks I have in here. These are a lot of tricks. And I have seen more. Oopsie. Okay, Luna's right there. Horse lovers move. Let's keep on. To get out all of these mystical whistle, silver whistle, bronze whistle, and wooden whistle. But my gems is low right now, so I can't do it. Sorry. I want to get a new pet, but I can't. So yeah, I can't. Okay, that's it for the VIPs. The new VIPs. And thanks for watching this video. And subscribe Hana Regina's. Follow Hana Regina's. Follow Hana Regina's TikTok. And subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye! I hope you like this video.